In today's video, I am going to teach you how to type emails with your voice in Gmail on Google Chrome. To do this, we are going to use a Chrome extension called Dictation for Gmail. This extension adds voice typing directly into Gmail, so you can speak your message and have it appear as text. Before you begin, make sure you are using the Google Chrome browser and that the extension is already installed and enabled. Also, confirm that your computer microphone is connected and working, because the extension relies on your microphone to pick up your voice clearly. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to Gmail. Once Gmail loads, make sure you are on your inbox. The inbox view is important because it gives you quick access to creating a new message. Next, look to the left side of the Gmail screen and click Compose. This opens a new email draft window. You will usually see fields for the recipient, the subject line, and the main message area. At this point, you are ready to begin dictating, but it helps to place your cursor exactly where you want the words to appear. Now click on Highlight in the message area. In other words, click into the body of the email so the typing cursor is active there, or highlight the text area where you want your dictated text to go. This step matters, because dictation will only type into the area that is currently selected. If you accidentally click somewhere else, like the subject line or another part of Gmail, your words may appear in the wrong place. With the message area selected, you can use the Dictation for Gmail extension to start speaking and have your email typed out for you. Speak clearly and at a steady pace for the best results. If you are working in a noisy environment, moving closer to your microphone can improve accuracy. It also helps to pause briefly between sentences, so the dictation can keep up with your natural phrasing. Once you see your text appear, take a moment to review it for any small errors, especially names, numbers, or punctuation, since voice typing can occasionally mishear words. After that, you can continue writing normally, or keep dictating as needed, and that is all there is to it.